So the aim of this experiment is to find out the characteristic of a centrifugal pump. The centrifugal pump consists of, first one is motor, then we have a centrifugal pump here. For the centrifugal pump we have connected a gauge pressure at the outlet, and we have a vacuum pressure at the inlet. Then this is our tank to collect the water, and we have a control panel here to measure the energy meter, etc. So initially you have to start the pump. So when you start the pump, the wall should be completely closed. This wall should be completely closed one, like opposite you have done in reciprocating pump. In reciprocating pump the wall should be completely open, but whereas in centrifugal pump the wall should be completely closed. So when you close this wall, you have to start the pump. When you start the pump, since the wall is closed, so the discharge will be zero. No water is falling into the tank. So at no load, you have to note down the gauge pressure reading and the vacuum pressure reading, and you have to note down the time to collect 5 revolutions of the energy meter. 5 revolutions of the energy meter. After that, you have to go on giving load to the pump. So at no load, the pressure will be around 10 kg per centimeter square. Then we will go on giving the load to the pump as 8 kg per centimeter square, 6 kg per centimeter square, then 4 kg per centimeter square, 2 kg per centimeter square, and finally at 0. So when you give 8 kg force per centimeter square load, so the water starts falling into the tank here. So you have to note down the time to collect 10 centimeter rise in water, and you have to note down the vacuum pressure at that particular load. Then you have to note down the time to collect 5 revolutions of the energy meter. 5 revolutions of the energy meter. After that, you have to go on giving next reading, that is at 6 kg per centimeter square load. So you have to go on repeating the load for 6 kg, 4 kg, 2 kg, and finally to 0. So for all the readings, you have to note down the time to collect 10 centimeter rise in water, and you have to note down the vacuum pressure, and you have to note down the time to collect 5 revolutions of the energy meter. Then calculation part will be shown in the slide. Thank you.